How to log in OmeTV without Facebook. So if you want to log into your OmeTV without Facebook, then first you just need simply search for OmeTV and it will take you to the OmeTV website. So search for Ome.tv. Now once you have your OmeTV, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with continue with Google if you don't have the access to log in with your Facebook. So you will have two options. One is continue with Google and the other one is continue with WikiID. You can also go with continue with Google or you can go with WikiID, but make sure that your phone number is active on your WikiID. So click on WikiID if you want to log in with your WikiID, and it will ask you to enter the mobile number, or you can also enter the email address. So enter the email address and then go with continue. And if your account has not found, then you can just simply go and create your account. But if you have your account, then you will receive a 4-digit verification key. You just need to simply go and enter the verification key and you will be logged in. Or you can also go with continue with Google and you'll be able to choose your Google account to continue to your OmeTV. Go with continue, scroll down and again go with continue. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.